Hello guys, this is the rear wiper of my BMW X3. What happens is the blade has broken off from this wiper, as you've seen in the video, and today I'm going to show you how to replace this rubber blade on a BMW X3 F25. This wiper blade assembly is fitted onto the wiper arm just by pushing in onto this hook, as you've seen in here. So to remove this wiper blade assembly from the arm, you have to simply push it down using your thumb, and the wiper blade assembly comes out easily. If you look closely, there are two small hooks on this end cap, and if you unhook these locks and push it out with your thumb, this end cap will come out easily. After dismantling the blade, you can buy a rubber blade of equal thickness from the local market, and after this you can cut this to the required size, same to the original one. Now you can start reassembling the wiper blade, and to make it a little easy, you can use WD spray so that the rubber slides in smoothly. With this, assembling the wiper blade is complete, and now we can install this onto the wiper arm. Installation is quite simple. You have to just push in this wiper assembly into this slot, and your job is done. Congratulations, I have just saved myself a few hundred rupees. Thank you guys, thank you for watching, and if you have a query, please feel free to drop me a comment. Thank you.